In this video I'm going to show you the course lock and home lock. I think these two are very important, and I'll give a thumbs up for Litchi for putting that actually on the front screen. Course lock is fantastic for videoing. It's something that I haven't really done a lot really, because I've been using the Go app and I tend to forget about it. With the Litchi I'm going to be using it a lot. I'll just show you what benefit it is using the course lock, and the other one is actual home lock. Okay, I'm going to show you the benefits of the course lock and home lock. To get these to work, you actually got to get the drone off the ground. So we've got the screen up already, the drone's already on, the home point's already been fixed. As you can see, when I say the home point is fixed, if you look over to the right hand corner at the bottom, you see the Google map. You see the little green H, that's your home point. That's where, and you can also just see the drone just below it. So let's get the drone off. So we do auto takeoff. Okay. Let's bring it forward. Let's turn on my camera as well. Go over to that way, take it up a little bit. Let's bring it forward a little bit so I can't. Right, okay. Okay, to apply the course lock on my Phantom 3 Advanced, I have to put the switch from the P to the F. Now, if you've got the Phantom 3 Standard on the controller, it'll be the right switch down. So you just tap on the course lock, you see the little padlock come up, so push the stick forward. I'm going to turn that drone, turning the drone now. Now if I was turning that drone would be going off to the left now, but at the moment it's still going on a straight line. So I'm going to bring it back. So all I'm doing is pulling my right stick back. So I've just gone forward, now going backwards again. Now if I just turn that controller, just gives you a little bit more control. Okay, now to cancel that, you just click on the icon, it's gone back. Now if I want to cancel it completely, I would flick the switch up, but I'm going to keep the switch down to the F position. I want to show the home lock now. Now what I like about the home lock is, just click on that. Now I'm just going to move, that's it. That's one thing you've got to be careful when you're touching the screen, that you don't move your exposure setting around. Now it's already locked on that, which is good. Now with the home lock, what it is, if I pull that stick back now, that drone's facing the building, but that drone is going to come back to me. Now I think that is a brilliant piece of engineering, also mainly because okay, at the moment I know I can see where the drone is. Now all that home lock is really for is when you're flying your drone out at a distance, and for some reason you lose where it is, or you lose the orientation, because like even with this ground, and at the moment I'm just going to send the drone back out again. Now if I did that normally, obviously it would go forward or backwards, but at the moment it's just going sideways. Let's just send it up a bit as well. Okay, let's turn that, let's go out in the country a bit. Now hopefully I can capture out on the camcorder as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn the drone. I haven't got a clue where it is out there anyway. So it looks like it's facing the main road, I think. So I got the home lock applied. So I'm going to pull back on my right stick. Now that drone will come back to me. See, whatever way that drone's facing, it will still come back to me. I'm just going to show you by bringing the drone down a bit towards that camera. I think that is a brilliant bit of kit. I mean, obviously you can get this on the Phantom 3. Obviously you can get this on the DJI Go app, I should say. But yeah, pretty amazing. So, just to come out the home lock, you just tap it, remembering to flick your switch back up to P. Obviously on the Phantom 3 standard you would flick your right switch upwards again. You've got complete control again. Well, so the drone will now go forward. Now I think the course lock is an amazing bit of kit, especially for when you're doing videos. So on this, I will have a problem. I'm just going to show you, if I turn that drone now, it's going to fly into the building. So yeah, pretty big bit of kit. Just going to bring it back in. So I'm just finish off the vid. I hope you found that useful. I think the course lock and the home lock are very good idea really to have on, especially on the screen itself, on the Litchi. On the DJI Go app, I believe you have to go into the modes for that. But yeah, I'm one bad for myself. I don't use the course lock much really, only because I don't really notice it. So I will be using the course lock a lot more now, especially in my videos. I think it's a fantastic it's a fantastic mode, that's all I can say. Home lock is another good thing, another great safety device. Just like with the return to home, you can quite easily lose orientation wherever you are really. And I think by applying that, don't forget you have to put the switch down to the F and then apply it, pull back on the right stick and it will come back to you. And what it will do, when it comes back to you, it won't come back to you and land in front of you. It will come back to you, and I think it stays out about 30 feet and it will just hover there. You then just cancel it and then you just bring the drone down and take control again. So as I always say, keep watching guys, I'm always bringing out something new. And as always, fly safe and I'll see you on the next one.